Hola amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what are we doing now?
On today's episode, we are moving the demolition skills to the exterior. And by God, so many freaking rivets.
If you have seen our previous videos, then you know that we've got a school bus and that this is our journey to transform it in a mobile home. So welcome back, amigos. Here again, I don't know, day number whatever. So today we are going to
Bust a lot of rivets.
Yes, and this is a
Center punch,
and I'm gonna punch the center of each rivet so he can come with the drill and finish them up.
So this is a mixture of regular buck rivets and pop rivets. All the buck rivets have to be drilled out completely, unlike pop rivets where you can just shake the heads off. Yes. And there's a lot of them.
Thousands of them. Oh.
Ready? Alright, sounds fun.
So we moved the demolition work to the exterior of the bus. You see, to be able to raise the roof, we needed to expose the hatch channel, which is the main structure of the bus, from the outside of the bus as well. So for that, we removed the upper guard rail and the metal plates that are installed between each of the windows. Let's just say that there were hundreds upon hundreds of rivets to be removed.
Come on, join the party.
What are we doing?
So what are we going to do today?
What are we doing today, guys?
What are they called? Rivets?
They're called rivets.
Yeah.
You're right.
They're gonna like bzz them out.
Okay.
Can you say that again?
Bzz. Our rivets is
Okay. So
Okay.
what we're going to do today is bust rivets.
is that not what bzz is?
Yeah.
All these little things right here, those are rivets. They're holding on the drip edge, and they're also holding together the rub rail attached to the skin.
Which is these rivets.
So we're going to remove all these rivets, and then these rivets up here, and
This
we're going
the
to
first
take
row.
off this cover over the hatch channel.
Yep. To expose it.
We're on trash.
Okay. Yeah. So what are you guys doing today, guys?
Trash.
Yep. Trash duty. Not much you guys can do. What are we doing? What are we doing this, baby? What are we using to do this?
We're going to use an air compressor,
Uh-huh.
an air chisel,
Okay.
and we're going to shear off the heads of all the rivets.
Okay. Which is not necessarily the right way to do it, right?
As a result of using an air chisel, we're going to have to drill out the holes to 1/4-inch holes and use a bigger rivet when we go to reinstall the sheet metal.
Yes.
The preferential way would be to drill them out.
But it just takes forever.
We don't have time for that.
So we're doing it the fast way, but it's not necessarily the best way.
Correct.
Did
Right?
you guys wash the bus?
Yes. This day was one more opportunity to appreciate the power of the right tools.
So these are the air chisels that we're going to use to shear off the backs of the rivets, the heads of the rivets. We're just making sure they're sharp, so we have to work less, and our work goes a little easier.
Yep.
They didn't show this stuff.
We learned that yesterday.
And if we need to punch some out, we have something to punch it out.
Yep. Good job.
No, they didn't show us this stuff in Phineas and Ferb. They just showed us all the cool stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what they say? Did I ever really care? I don't think I did. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help but step I wanna miss you. Still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you mine. Are you sleeping?
We say it before, but we just have to say it again. We're very thankful for all the help from the kids. Without them, it would have been miserable for sure. So thank you guys.
When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new.
So we are done removing the rivets, and now our cleaning crew, aka our kids, are removing all the tools, are cleaning up, are brooming. Come on, hurry up, pon eso allá adentro, en los containers de allá de la puerta. We remove all these rivets. So the boy is here in the floor already. We remove these panels, the rivets in the top, the first row, because the metal is going to slide inside. Ooh, you like my hands? Look how clean they are. Ooh, nice. Anyway, right there, the metal is going to slit. The sheet metal is going to slit underneath that. It's going to be here. And then we're going to put that black piece back in here to secure the new metal in here. Mr. Roots picking up tools.
Wait, Mom, do I also pick up the bag here?
Well, that's it for today, you guys. Please consider subscribing, smash that bell, and know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.